Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to easily fix microphone not working on your Galaxy Z Fold 8. So first, what we're going to do is we're going to go over and test our mic in a voice recorder or another app. So of course, we can open up our Samsung folder. Here we should have our voice recorder. And now we're gonna go over, we can click on the interview button, and as you guys can see, we are in an interview mode, but it doesn't really matter. Here we're just checking how it all works. So let's just stop it. You guys may notice that it probably recorded because it looks very different. So let me just increase the volume. Here we're just checking how. So it works just fine, and we can easily check it like this. So now what are we gonna do is we're gonna go and simply clean our microphone port with a non-metallic tool. So our microphones are at the bottom. We want to make sure that we clean them. They're close to the USB-C port. This is like a little dot, and you guys will definitely spot this first try. Next, what are we gonna do is we're gonna restart our phone. So we want to make sure that it's not a glitch right now. We want to go over, press the power button, volume down at the same time. Now we're gonna go and tap on the restart again, and now it's restarting. So I'll see you guys in a second once the restart is done. After the restart, what are we gonna do is we're gonna go over, and as a last resort, we're gonna update our software to fix any mic glitches. So there's not a lot we can do here, so this is our last resort. We're gonna scroll down in the settings to the software update. Now once you're here, you want to tap on the check for updates, and soon you should have your results. So as you guys can see, my software is up to date, but if yours isn't, then I recommend you updating. It is very important. And that's it for the video. So thank you for watching. If you enjoyed it, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.